face and denim from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Oh, your sudden gaze and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Another vlog. It's currently 6:38 p.m. and day off ko na naman po. Siyempre, pag nag-vlog ako day off ko, hindi ko kaya naman yung naggaling akong from night shift, tapos magna-night shift ulit ako ngayong hapon, tapos nagpa-vlog ako in between. Hindi kaya, sis. Kailangan pag-ingatan ng sarili. Kagaya ngayon, hindi ko alam kung allergy lang ba siya or cold, pero 2 nights ako na may sipon. Tapos kagabi talaga, nag-Zyrtec na ako kasi hindi na kaya. Pero parang walang effect, sis. So finally guys, nakuha na namin yung refund namin from Progressive. Kung nakita nyo yung vlog ko about car insurance, ayan, nasabi ko doon na nakakuha kami ng $100, almost 99.68 na refund. Dahil sa age ng driver's license namin from the Philippines. So, eto guys, pinadalhan kami ng cheque na ano ko na rin kanina, na-deposit ko na rin sa bangko ko. Kasi dito guys, yung app nila, ewan ko ba ang uso dito sa US or hindi ko alam kung dito lang ba sa area ko, yung magpapadala sila ng ganito, parang cheque or magbabayad sila ng cheque. Tapos, you can just upload it sa bank application mo guys. Tapos, may follow ka lang doon, enter mo lang yung amount, tapos dapat na signaturean mo dito sa likod. Magpa-prompt naman yung app na picturean mo na yung front, picturean mo yung back, ganyan. Or you can take it manually. So, very convenient guys. Dati-rati, di ba? Hindi ko alam eh, kasi sa Pinas hindi naman kami gumagamit ng check. Hindi ko ako nagka-card lang ako doon, pero ang gamit ko debit card, wala akong credit card. Kasi parang na-instill sa utak ko na if you will use credit card, utang siya. But anyway guys, it's a different situation here. As long as you know how to pay your bills on time, hindi ka mababaon sa utang. So sa akin, before katapusan, like 20 pa lang, nababayaran ko na yung bills ko ng buong month. So dapat wala na akong i-charge na mga bibilhin ko sa credit card ko hanggang katapusan. So, may 10 days. Parang 20 days lang na ginagamit ko yung credit card ko. Yung 10 days, yun yung parang waiting period ko. Kasi nagbibuild din kami ng credit ko. Though, ang bilis talaga guys. Ang bilis mag-build ng credit score dito. Sobra. Yung 6 months ko guys na gumamit dito ng credit card. Tapos yung sa lahat ng mga parang, parang yung activities mo regarding money. Matitrace kasi yan sa SSN mo. So, sa credit, basta sa credit, something. Yun. So far naman, guys, I can say na na-build ko talaga yung credit score ko na really good na siya. Not the best. Wala pa akong 800. Pero at least, naka 700 plus na tayo. Ganyan. I think it's like, the last time that I checked, parang almost 750 or more than 750. Parang something ganun. So, yun guys. So, madali lang siya mag-build ng credit score. Sa mga papunta po dito, don't worry. As long as you are really disciplined, okay? Sa pagbabayad. At saka, ano pa ba? Sa galawan kung paano nyo siya gamitin para magkaroon kayo ng mga cashback, mga points, ano pa ba. Tapos yung pagpili ng credit card, kung ako kasi personally, I don't know about you guys ha, pero kanya-kanyang ano naman yan. Ako, as long as walang annual fee, kahit mataas ang APR, I don't worry about it kasi alam ko namang magbayad ako on time. So, walang interest rate na ma-accumulate sa akin ng credit card company. So, walang annual fee, tsaka maganda ang cashback or point system nila. So, ayun, depende rin sa kung anong gusto nyo kasi may mga credit card dito na they are good for travel, for grocery, and all of that stuff. So, comment down below guys if you want me to discuss the credit cards that I have. Kasi hindi naman ako expert regarding that, but you might wanna know kung ano yung experience ko or paano ko talaga na-build yung credit score ko dito. Especially now that Mac is here, tinuturuan ko rin siya kung paano niya i-build yung credit score niya. Kasi ako guys, ano talaga ako, junkie ako regarding financial situation. I wanna be financially free soon. Ayan.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and step away inside all day today. Just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and step away inside all day today. Oh, dancing in the rain. Hey. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me.
Ang vlog natin today guys, nakita nyo naman, nag-ayos na ako dito sa bahay. Kulang na lang vacuum, so we might vacuum later after na lang ng dinner. Magluluto ako ng dinner namin. Kasi I have time. Actually, madami kaming food sa freezer na meal prep ko na. Kung nakita nyo yung mga previous vlogs. Pero, since I have time, tsaka first day ni Mac sa work, ayan, I'll be cooking parmesan chicken. Probably. Parang i-air fry ko na lang. Tinatamad ako na magprito-prito kasi parang ayoko na yung masyadong amoy mantika. But anyway, with air fryer still, maaamoy mo pa rin yung parang amoy mantika dahil sa mantika ng meat, you know? But anyway, ayoko na ng mga talsik-talsik or whatsoever. So, I'm gonna chop the whole chicken and then just choose some pieces na okay siya for fried chicken. So, samahan niyo ako guys. And refill muna tayo guys ng ating bigasan kasi wala na palang masyadong laman. So, I got here, ayan, if you wanna know what's our rice, this is the great value na jasmine rice. Tapos, meron din kaming cal roast, guys. So, this one is a really good rice. Ang problema ko lang dito kasi, masarap siya, guys, pag bagong luto. Pero kapag malamig na siya, ayoko yung texture. Para siyang, may parang nabasa siya. Or, basta parang siyang masyadong dikit-dikit. Or, I don't know. Hindi ko alam, guys, kung ganun yung gusto yung rice. Pero ako, ayoko masyado. So, ang ginagawa ko, half of this and then half of the jasmine rice para perfect combination. Kasi, ano yung ginagawa namin. So, dito pa lang sa lagayan, guys, ginagawa ko na half na siya para mas okay yung texture ng rice saka masarap pa rin siya kahit bahaw na siya.
Your scent of lavender grew strong as I pulled you. While the sunlight kissed your cheek. See, we felt something that like nothing else mattered at all. But life came in full swing. We could have spent our summers chasing the sunlight, and your eyes ran wild as the embers of our innocence fades into space. We're aging away. So tell me, baby, how does anybody fall into love if we're temporary? So keep me in your company, and I'll sing you that melody that brought you to tears when you were 18 in fear. But now look at us in our dead-end jobs. Seems every dollar we make, our dreams are fading away. But you know, we could have spent our summers chasing the sun.
Hello! Basta yung kamay ko.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, you leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing all this, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you I cherish all your life. And after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing all this, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in back into your...
Hey everyone! Na-reach na naman po ang part ng ating vlog wherein magsha-shoutout po tayo sa mga nag-comment. And shoutout ko yung mga nag-comment sa video ko na I got COVID after 6 months in America. Alam mo yung napipil, parang naano ko pa rin na bakit ako nagka-COVID, parang ganito, ganyan. Pero, you know what? God is really good kasi I only had mild symptoms. Thank you sa vaccine na rin siguro, but God is all. Ayan, so shoutout lang po ako sa mga nag-comment kay Romel De Vera. Ayan, hi Joy, I enjoy watching your vlog. Oh, thank you so much. Ibrahim Halil, kay Casey's, kay Casey. Ayan, sis, may I ask, anong health insurance kinuha mo and how much monthly pay mo? Magdidiscuss ako guys ng mga health insurance, pero I answered her comment already here. Pero magdidiscuss ako kung paano yung health insurance dito kasi sobrang nakakalito talaga. Parang opposite talaga siya ng PhilHealth natin, guys. So, yun. And susunod na shoutout is, it's me, Cherry, Ronica Berto, Jonaka Pablo, and Rosemary Sumulong, and kay Sir Peter Lim. Ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. And if you have requests po na mga gusto nyong malaman na kung ano yung mga gusto nyong videos, or if you have any question, kung may question kayo regarding sa pag-migrate dito sa US, comment nyo down below and I'll try to do a video. Kung hindi ko kayo sasagutin, sinasagot ko naman actually mga nagko-comment, pero for the sake of everyone, I'll make a video sa mga tanong nyo po. Thank you so much everyone for commenting. Ayan, nakakatulong kayo sa paggawa ng contents and sa pag-help din sa mga kapwa nating nurses na magmamigrate dito sa USA. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!
I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass, yeah.